Hello, and welcome again to a tutorial on how to create a Google account. Start by opening your browser and navigate to Google search. Now click the sign in button which is on the right side of the screen. Click create account which is on the bottom of the screen. Click on for myself. Now, fill out your details, like your first name, last name, and enter your email address which you will use for this account. Now, enter your password and click Next. You might get an error that you can't use this email address because it's already taken. Then you can select the available email address if you want to use that. Click Next. So now you have to enter your phone number. Click Next. Now, you have to enter the verification code which has been sent to your given phone number. The verification code will be of 6 digits. Click Verify. Now, you have to add your birth date and your gender. Click Next. Now, click Yes, I'm in. Scroll down the page and click I agree. As you can see, we have successfully created a Google account. Now, click on the Gmail hyperlink on top of the web page. As you can see, we have successfully logged into Gmail. Click Next. Now, select which view would you like, and press OK. Now, select and open the first mail. Scroll down to read all this information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more videos like this.